Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're going to twist it up and throw some color on it. Coming along for the ride. What you got planned for this one?
I'm going to do a bullseye and 4th of July colors.
Nice little small bullseye, 4th of July. Independence Day. Very patriotic.
My mom said she wants one.
Okay.
Her size is large.
All right.
Her colors are purple, red, and blue.
Okay.
Well, you can do that.
I think we got that covered.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Yes,
No
sir.
problem.
Y'all have a good evening. Thank you.
This is your sweetie.
Oh, yeah. We got Scarlet Red.
Yes. Where's my rag? Let's see.
Did he say coconut?
No?
I thought we got some sort of like chestnut or coconut color. I couldn't remember if that's what he said or not. But I knew we had one of those. We definitely got all those colors. And I think we even have a women's one. We never mind. We might. So we have Scarlet, you said?
Scarlet.
And Bluebird, right?
Yeah.
And that's all that's going to be on this one?
Yeah.
So, on this one we have Scarlet and Bluebird. Wonderful red, white, and blue tie-dye tee. The spiral like this was quite a hit.
All right, let's go.
The drying rack? That was quick. Super fast. Middle shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.